Ooh, these are skylark balloon center at San Antonio. Holy moly! I've never been there before. Let's go. Ooh. Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Holy moly! Guys, I don't think the lion has found yet or not. We'll find out. Okay, I think the lion was found now. Let's go! Woo! Okay, now let's go! Yeah. Well, you're fired. Okay, I almost got it shot. Next. Okay, I got this. PP, PP, Daddy, PP. Did I got a split? I can't believe I got a split about this. Please don't get me any prints around here. Come on! Okay, I got one pin. Come on, let's go! Oh, come on!
2,000 years later.
I got this. Yeah. This is much more slower than I thought it was. What? Oh, come on. I can do this. Let's go. Not again. Okay, I got it. Yeah. That one. Slower, huh? Alrighty. Oh, this is the last one. Yeah. Here we go again. Little slower. Okay. Here we go. Can't shuffle. Here we go. Yeah. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk by yourself. Now walk by yourself. Don't do you dare, do you dare. Don't do you dare, do you dare. Don't do you dare, do you dare. Don't do you dare. Okay, I'm done. Oh my god, that was a long day. Oh my god. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe. See you later.